Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to register Halifax Bank account for online banking. So first we're going to go to our browser, then we're going to search for Halifax Bank, then we're going to click on the link there. As you can see, this is their official website. We're going to click on menu, then click on register for online banking. Then as you can see, this is going to show us how we're going to register. So once we scroll, there is an option saying register for online banking. So we're going to click on that. Then the next page is going to show us what we need to register with, either our savings account, our loan, our mortgage, or the others, as you can see. Then we're going to click on register here since we have all of those. So we're going to insert our personal information. So once we're done, we're going to click on next. Then they're going to register our information. So this is how we open a Halifax Bank account. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.